Good morning. This class we are passing to the next module, that is hydroxy compounds. Hydroxy compounds. First, we are discussing about the classification of hydroxy compounds, that is classification. First one, based on the number of hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl compounds we are classifying on the basis of the number of OH groups present in. So based on the number of hydroxyl groups, hydroxy compounds are classified into three: monohydroxy, dihydroxy, or we can call it as monohydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, and trihydric alcohols. Okay, based on the number of OH groups present in the alcohol, alcohols are classified into three: monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, and trihydric alcohols. In monohydric alcohols, the alcohol is containing only one OH group, example CH3, CH2OH. And dihydric alcohols means the alcohol is containing two hydroxyl group, example is CH2OH, ethylene glycol, CH2OH, ethylene glycol. And trihydric alcohols means the alcohol is containing three OH groups. That means example is CH2OH, CHOH, and CH2OH, glycerol. So monohydric alcohol, only one OH group. Dihydric alcohols means there are two hydroxyl groups present in the alcohol. Example is CH2OH, ethylene glycol. And trihydric alcohols means there are three hydroxyl groups present in the alcohol. Example is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, glycerol. Okay, this is the first classification based on the number of hydroxyl groups. Based on the number of hydroxyl groups, alcohols are classified into three: monohydric, dihydric, and trihydric alcohols. Now next is, as we have studied in the case of haloalkanes, alkyl halides, similarly here alcohols are also classified into primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. Another classification: primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. As we have discussed in the case of alkyl halides, primary alcohol means the OH group is attached to a primary carbon atom. Okay, primary alcohols means OH group is attached to a primary carbon. That means OH is attached to a primary carbon. Primary carbon means the carbon is joined with only one other carbon. So this type of alcohol is known as a primary alcohol. So this is a primary carbon. Example, if you substitute with the hydrogen, you will get CH3, CH2OH. So this is an example for a primary alcohol. In primary alcohol, the OH group is attached to a primary carbon. This is a primary carbon. What do you mean by primary carbon? The carbon which is joined with only one other carbon. Okay. And this is what is primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Now we are discussing about the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means the OH group is attached to a secondary carbon. OH group is attached to a secondary carbon. And what do you mean by secondary carbon? Secondary carbon means the carbon which is joined with two other carbon atoms. Okay, so this is a secondary carbon and this carbon is joined with this carbon and it is joined with this carbon. Example, if you can substitute these bonds with alkyl group or with hydrogens. If you substitute with hydrogen, what you will get? CH3, C, and here is one bond, CH3, C, CH, CH3, and here it is OH. So this type of alcohol is known as a secondary alcohol. Here you can see that the OH is attached to a secondary carbon. What do you mean by secondary carbon? The carbon which is joined with the two other carbon atoms. So propan-2-ol, what is the name of this alcohol? Propan 2, in the second carbon there is alcohol or OH group, propan-2-ol. This is an example for secondary alcohol. Now tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. That also you know very well. What do you mean by tertiary alcohol? In tertiary alcohols, the OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon. Look at it here. OH is attached to a tertiary carbon. What do you mean by a tertiary carbon? The carbon which is joined with three other carbon atoms. That is known as a tertiary carbon. So this carbon is a tertiary carbon because this carbon is joined with 1, 2, 3. And you can look at the valency of this carbon. Remaining it is 3. Here also 3. Okay, 3, 3. You can substitute with hydrogen. So what you will get? CH3, C. Here it is CH3, CH3, and here it is OH. Clear? Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol. You can take it ethanol. It's a primary alcohol. Example is ethanol. Secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. These are the second classification: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohols. Next is, this is also you have studied in alkyl halides. Next is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. Okay, what do you mean by allylic alcohol? In allylic alcohol, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, which in turn is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. This type of alcohol is known as allylic alcohol. In allylic alcohol, look at it here. OH group is attached to, this is sp3 hybridized carbon because this is single bonded. So OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. This is sp3 hybridized carbon. That carbon is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. This is sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon. This type of alcohol is known as allylic alcohol. Example, if you substitute with hydrogen, what you will get? CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH. So this is an example for allylic alcohol. So in allylic alcohol, the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. That carbon is attached to a double bonded carbon or sp2 hybridized carbon. This type of alcohol is known as allylic alcohol. Next is benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. What do you mean by benzylic alcohol? In benzylic alcohol, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, which in turn is attached to aromatic ring. Look at here. In benzylic alcohol, this is our OH group. OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, this is CH2 means CHH. This is single bonded. This carbon is sp3. That carbon is attached to aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. That type of alcohol is known as benzylic alcohol. In benzylic alcohol, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. That carbon is attached to an aromatic ring. Next is vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol. This also you know very well. In vinylic alcohol, the OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. If the OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, this type of alcohol is known as vinylic alcohol. So here it is OH group. This is sp2 hybridized carbon, and if OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, then it is known as vinylic alcohol. Example, you can write it as CH2 double bond. Sorry, here it is known as CH2 double bond CHOH. CHOH. This type of alcohol. This is an example for vinylic alcohol. In vinylic alcohol, OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. And the last one is phenol. In phenol, the OH group is directly attached to benzene ring. If the OH group is directly attached to benzene ring, the compound is known as phenol. This is the general classification or different types of alcohols we have to study. So based on number of OH groups, there are 3 types: monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Then we have primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Then we have allylic alcohol, benzylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol, and finally phenol. Okay, thank you.